all the free chairs from the beach yesterday. Storm came in, everybody just left their chairs behind. So me and Randy grabbed them all. Left them out in the rain to clear it up. The sun dry them out a little more. Alright, so I was puddle hopping yesterday to get all the sand off from underneath, which still didn't get it all. But there's sand on everything, so I'm going to take everything out of the truck and vacuum it out today, because this sand is getting ridiculous. It's all over my dashboard. It's in every nook and cranny. So, inside truck cleanup day. Like that'll work. Huh. The tree left me a gift. Other gifts that leave me up there. I better check my roof later too. So much sand. Alright, the mall crawler is clean. 80% clean on the inside. I'm not wiping anything down with any dressing because sand sticks to everything down here, so I don't do any arm rolling. I just vacuum it with a brush and get it all clean again, so it's all clean. No point in doing the outside because it's going to rain later today. Got all that sand out of the front. Beach blankets, spare towels, just in case, window covers. Dashboard's all clean. Nice. Alright, the outside's done. Alright, let's figure out what I want to do today. Gotta be something. I don't know what happened here, but walked in, smelled something, and my AC went off. So I came and unplugged it. That plug was having a meltdown. Luckily my surge protector protected that. Dang. Hot, 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 hot. Nothing going on there. What the shit? It sure didn't hurt this side. This side's good. What's going on here? Hope I didn't fry that. I'm gonna go find Jeff. Something going on there. I went and got a hold of Jeff. He's gonna come check it out for me. I think I'm the only one that went out. But I think I'm gonna change my surge protector because I don't like how it looks. So we had a complete meltdown. It is really hot today. That one's warm too. Boy, yeah. It's toasty. Yeah, let's see what happens. I'm sure Jeff will come to the rescue again. Alright, well I guess I'm going to search for a surge protector at a Home Depot or Lowe's. Let's see what's the closest around. I don't trust my old one. Jeff told me the heat index is 111 today, which it doesn't feel like. It's actually comfortably, really warm comfortably, so it ain't like sticky, sweaty like. So I guess I'm going to find me a surge protector. To be continued. Alright, the office does not sell surge protectors. So I guess I'm going all the way to Home Depot, I guess. Give it a shot. So Walmart had one. It's a cheapo. I ain't happy with it, but it's all they had. Nobody else around here has one. So it is what it is, I guess. It's better than the one that I think got burnt up.
In 3¼ miles, turn right on Mission Drive.
I know I need to be in the right lane because that car accident's up here. Now let's see if she works. Looks good. Give her a shot. Alright. Let's see if everything turns on. Probably super hot in here now. Oh, it's still cold. I hear things beeping. There we go. We got air again. We're golden. Okay. And there it is. Jeff came to the rescue again. Jeff is the man. Jeff is the man. Nice. I'll check in a little bit, make sure it ain't hot. Alright, I'm good to go. Yeah, I found one at I said I called Home Depot. It's like, yeah, we have them. So I go there. They go, no, you got to order them online. I'm like, well, that ain't doing me no good. I was like, you said you had them here. And I'm going to Walmart. And they had one like the one I had. Better than nothing. It was 43 bucks. But 43 bucks is a lot more cheaper than changing everything in my camper.
So here's back up.
Yeah, it's all good to go. If it wasn't, trust me, I've been over knocking on your door like an idiot again if it didn't work again. But yeah, I plugged in. It was great. And it's staying cold. It ain't getting hot like it was before. So it's 100%. Appreciate you.
I've got them blowing left and right because of the heat.
Yeah, I knew it was hot today. We went for a bike ride and we were baking. We ended up coming back and just calling it quits. But we didn't realize it was that hot, but we felt that we were the only ones on bikes riding around. So we figured there was a sign why we were the only ones.
Right.
So yeah, I appreciate you for fixing that for me. Take it easy, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. Take it easy. See you later. Gonna just give a double check here. Jeff the man came in. Oh, it's nice and cold now. This is my outlet from earlier. It had a bad day, so I went from this one to this one. So I had to buy a new surge protector, which is nice and cold now. It ain't hot. So I'm good to go now. Camper's running 100%. Nice and cold inside again. Ready to roll. Now I'm gonna go for a bike ride.